it's your money, you know. Maybe next time. It's very
Taylor,
tempting.
were you out last game or were you in?
What do you mean?
Like,
she was out.
Yeah, I was out.
You want to go?
No, you guys can. I'll go in hockey now.
No, I've been into the
Okay, you go and then I'll go and you go, okay?
Hold still, honey. Hold still.
I'm gonna be serving out.
I'm kind of pussy though, and I don't want to punch that girl over there.
Get open, John. Get open. Follow.
You're good, you got it.
Don't let it be. Don't let it open. Chop.
Come on, Chuck.
Like all that, you guys said it. Hey, you were not even looking. You didn't even see it.
Good job, Pauline.
Hey, don't listen to it.
Have I been doing this since freshman year?
What happened? I thought Lonnie since 8th grade. I don't know.
Because I was a.
You were a freshman, I think.
But last year, did you play for Chuck's team or this team? Because I played.
What are you?
I'm a junior. I don't look like a junior.
Dang, man.
You okay?
No, I'm Bella's favorite.
Lonnie can kick it.
Yeah, have Lonnie take it.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Lonnie showed me your YouTube.
Yeah. I have all the games there.
Yeah. I should pass it sooner.
Oh, yeah.
My eyes got too big.
Or like tap it.
Yeah. Where's the rest of our dudes, man?
Everybody just fell.
I could barely hang on for last game.
And then everybody has
I'm already weak.
And now everyone, like, he literally walks around the hall alone. It's so depressing.
I always have my headphones in.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't want to talk to anyone right now. I hate that. He's still popular. He's on the rise now.
Like, I didn't even realize they were playing the song until Mallory heard it. And then I heard it.
Because I have ADD.
I like it.
Focus on the book.
Well, I like it too. It's not bad.
I can't have people talking in the games. Other than like my teammates calling back.
My game. I was like, how was your game? I was like, we lost.
Girl.
Sorry, she was just closer. So I was like,
Hey, go!
come on, Bella. Come on, Bella.
Get goal side. Get goal side.
Pasa.
You got him?
Ooh.
Only one. One. Only one. You got one in the middle. And one by her on the side. Watch middle, watch middle. Go in the middle.
Boy. Come on, Black!
Come on, Bella!
Get there. Oh wait, we have both of them.
I know.
Come on, Bella, you got this.
Delay.
Just pressure, just pressure.
Good! Good job, Bella.
Bella, if you need a sub, get sub.
Oh, you good?
Come on.
Oh, shit.
In the front, Emilio, get in front.
Come on, Black.
I know.
I am too. Are you? Yeah.
Bella, go side.
Go, Bella! Ah.
My kneecap dislocated during a game last year, and my kneecap dislocated. So, that's why I wear the knee brace.
Bella, quickly.
Bella, up!
Okay, I got it.
Step 2, Black. Step 2. Come on, Bella.
Come on, Bella!
Push him out to the side, push him out to the side. Watch the top of the box.
Good, Bella. Turn. Good.
Go, Taylor! Go, Taylor!
Hey, go.
Stop, stop, stop!
You got it. Sir.
Go, Bella.
¿No penny? ¿No tienes una camisa negra, hijo? No, negra no. Ahí está bien, está bien. I got a gray one.
Gray one works, I think.
So you're gonna go in there.
How nice for you.
Yeah, we need it, guys.
Hey. We got enough. Hey, hey.
Some of us
We
aren't
got
this
enough.
way.
Here, here.
Hey, we have 2 minutes.
Yeah, you guys are. You want to play then, where are you? No.
Come on, Ed.
Woo!
Yeah!
Good
Victor.
shot.
Yeah, go that way.
Vamos para allá, eh.
Watch the ball, watch the ball.
Hey, Vin. Hustle out there.
Go, guys, let's go.
Going like this, or like this. Which one?
Run her over.
Yeah, she's the one that got Bella on the face.
No. Like, first week, she literally started doing it. She was throwing elbows. And then now she's like complaining that I did a handball, even though the ball went that way. So like, it was her. They were good. Did you just come on? Yeah. Right now? Yeah, we have to do the ball. Whatever, that's fine.
Hit him. Yep.
Go, Michael.
You got it.
Quickly.
Are you alright over there?
Are you good? You got it?
You need to get right? Ooh!
Here's up.
Good call, good call.
Are you not saying anymore?
Good try.
I think she's in vegan actually. Like, I mean, they don't have enough. $5. Oh.
What did he do now? Emil, ¿qué hizo? Close it, close it, close it. Rolando.
Other way.
Well, the rest can say something back to him.
Oh.
I don't understand anything that's happening.
You get used to it like Taylor. You get used to it after Taylor's like, you're already winning. Calm down. My knees.
Did you need Gatorade?
Yeah, that's why I didn't come out.
Or Gatorade?
Instead of the ball, she kicked me. No, punch you back. Go, let's go. Get it back. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ball.
Over halfway.
Good job.
Yeah.
Get it
There
back,
we
get it back,
go.
get it back.
There goes that arm.
He knows what he's doing.
Hey, pásala, pásala.
Wow. Oh, Taylor!
Let's go, let's go.
Don't let that go because I'm trying to go in there like a basketball, man. Come on.
I'm not gonna be translating for you anymore. So that's it.
Watch the ball.
Yeah, stay on the left. Stay on that side. Stay on that side. Don't go to the top.
Watch him in. Go, go.
Yeah, don't get on that side. There you go.
Don't make a run. You gotta get to it.
Girls, if the girls need sub. Good, Michael.
Go up, go up.
Come on, guys. I know you can play. Let's go. Let's go. Stop, girl.
My knee almost gave out. I did not play. I would get in so much trouble if it did give out.
It was not.
It was like right there.
Straight on your knee.
I know. You went too much. Oh, it's because you were inspecting it, huh?
No, it was not.
Yeah, I figured.
Centro. That's you guys. Let's go.
Go, Lonnie.
Ugh. He's a dirty player. He's a dirty player.
Bueno. Bien.
Go, London.
There it goes. Hey, Lonnie, next time flex.
Shoot it. Hey, man, pass it.
Oh! Get it.
Time.
Good.
Nice.
Good ball. Hey,
Good ball,
izquierda, left. There you go. Métete al medio. Medio.
Somebody's there. Careful, careful.
What happened?
It hit the thing. I didn't see that. It didn't look like it.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Oh, you did?
I think it's like the wind
Yeah.
that makes it move, and you're like, oh, okay.
Oh, that's so nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice try, Lonnie.
Watch left, watch left. Backside, backside.
Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's your back? I don't know.
No.
What the?
Come on, Ray, let's go,
That's probably from when you fell over there. You like threw your arm around, so you
go.
probably like,
Robo.
cut it.
Open up, open up.
Exactly. That's how you get it out.
Go, Bella.
Well, of course your knees hurt.
Middle, middle.
Oh, too much. Nice try. Good idea.
Girl.
Female.
What's up, Bella? What's up, Bella?
Bella, con ganas, ¿eh?
That's you, that's you.
¿Está enojada, Nancy? Come on.
Lock that ankle, Bella.
Don't let her push you, Lonnie.
Hey, jeez.
Yeah.
Come on.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
no.
I almost started yelling.
2 minutes, right?
Come on,
Put
Lonnie.
it in, Lonnie, put it in. Next time, flex, give it right back to her.
Rip it at her.
Hey, yeah, kick it out of her. That's a cara, Lani.
Oh, good try.
Lonnie, you gotta be ready.
Here we go.
Okay?
Get it out, Bella. Get it out.
You got time. Man, come in.
That's you.
Come on, huh? You got her.
Come on, Jay. I know you can score. Let's go.
Yeah, get one in.
One good shot.
Oh.
You got her.
Go, Bella.
Stay with it,
Nice.
Bella. Watch backside.
No. It's all ball.
Ball. Get in.
Yeah.
Man on.
Go, Bella.
Man on, Bella, man on.
Come on, Dave. Go.
Go.
Go big. Fast.
Line.
Just take it. Kick it.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Hit it. Yeah.
Woo!
Actually, yeah, Taylor, I'll go in. So she's a junior.
It's first out.
Good.
Get up!
Somebody.
I'll be ready to go up.
Good.
Hasta adentro.
Good ball.
Go.
Taylor.
Good job, Lani.
Good job, Mama.
Lonnie, you alright? You're, twist your ankle or something? Hey, good.
I got you.
Next time when you go over there,
Are you tired?
flex.
Are you dying?
She's gonna do it all day long. Just brace yourself, it's gonna bounce off.
Victor, corner way.
You do it I do. When you're going for the ball,
You guys are done?
Wait till
she won't do it again.
a minute.
That's what she's looking for.
Come on, Black.
Did a good job though.
Ah, nice try, Emil.
Yeah, Mel.
Oh yeah, I see.
Keep looking. Gabriela, good job. Good. Get in there, don't be afraid.
Yes, Brian.
First ball, first ball, go, first ball.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Shot!
Woo! Nice passing, Bella.
We love that. Good energy.
Keep it up.
Good job, Bella.
Dude, restricted seconds. You're at it.
You see pressure. What's the pressure? Watch the ball.
Get yourself in that.
Go black.
Less than a minute, guys. Less than a minute. 45 seconds.
Got
Go.
it. Just keep him. Just hold him. Hold him.
Ball, watch. Ball,
Nice.
nice.
Turn. Go. Take it.
Taylor.
Go.
Get it.
Oh! Hurry, hurry!
Push him out. Push him out.
Let's go! Go, Bella!
Get it, Brian.
Woo! Good job, keeper!
Big ball, big ball.
Get in front of it.
You're insane.
Hurry, hurry! Woo! Good job!
Hey, we play with just those guys.
Quería meter otro guy.
Oh, ahí?
Girl, that one.
No.
And it will be 4 guys against me.
Yeah, they're down.
It'll be a fair.
Bien, bien.
Eva, ve a ayudarles.
Get up, ladies. Bella.
Dust them off, Eva.
Nice. Get over here, on this side. Pass it back. Nice. Little Michael. Chuck, get open. Otra vez, Michael,
You're gonna go in first. Okay.
Go, Chuck.
Shoot it. No te vayas mucho, Michael. Go, Taylor. Keep going, Bella. Go. Go, ladies, go. Time.
Go, Bella!
Hello. Acábala, Michael.
Lani did let this.
Nice.
Oh!
Yeah, you tapped her like this much. I was like,
Chuck. Hey, go. Get close, Chuck.
I used to be like, cool. And then just walk away.
Nice, Bella. Get close, Chuck. Don't lose him.
Nice, Keith! Oh, is he okay?
Hold on. Give it all the chance.
¿Qué se le... ¿Se pegó algo?
No.
Híjole.
I got it. If he needs to come out, I got it.
He can... No, these are hard kicks, bro. You don't want...
You're like 6 feet.
Pero tu camisa está negra, ¿no tiene otra?
Okay.
¿Va a seguir? ¿Sí aguanta? ¿Quién?
Get ready.
Go, Bella!
Hesitating.
You want to make go? That's you, Chuck. That's you, Chuck.
Uno. Hey, you got three on one.
Pass on, Mike.
Wow.
Time.
Go, 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 go.
Tiempo. Cuenta, dale.
Oh! Corner. No, ya no. Ya echó dos, ¿no? ¿No? ¿Quién echó en esta? ¿Uno y el otro? Ah, el muchacho, el de Gray, right? El de...
Banana hit stop.
Can I help you up?
Yeah.
Good.
We need to bring extra bananas now?
Yeah.
That's what brothers do. My food. You want an orange?
Bella, go for it.
I love you too. Te amo.
Eva usually has some stuff too.
Pressure!
Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
Ooh, 'cause- Michael!
No pain. I can't. We've been working all day. I can't straight.
I did that earlier today. I was like,
Yeah.
I know, but I was already in front of it,
I had a
and
snack in
we didn't
between
it
lunch.
didn't get a goal.
keep it there, Doctor.
I could feel it.
But like I didn't even want to go for it. Lily was like,
Los dos.
She has gotten better.
also they have to play.
Yeah. She's gotten better. Oh!
No!
She hasn't had
Oh!
So you're going next? Yeah. The top lip is like,
You be over here so you can open it.
it's like feeling.
Oh, the
No, let me talk.
you. Thank you.
We got that, Bella!
Stay back there. Stay back there.
Bella!
Good ball. Good ball.
4 next time.
Drop down, guys.
Drop back, Bella!
Good job. It's okay.
Go, Bella! You need to sub. Hey, which one? Nathaniel. Nathaniel. ¿Qué pasó?
Hey, touch. Good job. Drop it.
Yeah, she's young. She got it. I thought her knee was about to blow out.
No!
Help, Black.
Ooh.
They're playing conflict.
Ooh.
I know we need to push that one.
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice, Lani!
Good job, Lonnie.
Yes!
Go, 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 pass, pass. Nice. Oh.
Help, Black!
Shot.
It's all right, Lani.
Dad, ball's in play!
Hey, honey.
Another one in, Mill.
You got it! Help, Black! Black, hit him here! Hit him here!
Front.
Come on, Brian! Yes, yes, Brian!
Yeah.
That's you, that's
Go,
you.
Mel.
Yes, go!
Blast it.
You got middle, you got middle.
Middle!
Sit it up, sit it up.
Oh.
Unlucky!
Nice.
Yes.
Go, Bella.
Man on. Good. Good ball, good ball.
Shot.
Oh.
Unlucky! Good shot! Keep it up, Black!
Go back, Bill.
Drop back! Yes, turn! Take!
No,
Too
no,
much,
easy.
too much.
Yes!
Nice, Lani.
Shot!
Yeah.
Oh. Again.
Go! Good effort! Drop, Black, drop!
Ooh.
Oh, sir, come on now.
Okay.
But you went like this.
Hey, come with the ball, drop.
Drop.
Oh, shit, Brian. Yes! Help!
Middle.
You got it. Good effort, good hustle.
Hey, someone go in there for her.
She needs a break. And Taylor's for
Taylor, you got it?
her. Good job.
Hit her!
Go, Lonnie, go.
Yes!
Go, Lonnie. Head up.
Middle! All right, straight.
Come on, Taylor.
Oh! Right.
Good.
You want to go in?
Good hustle, Mama. Close the door, close the door.
Ball.
Come on, Taylor. Ooh.
Win it.
I am.
The ball.
Oh my God, muscle is fun. I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna be able to get out of that.
They sandwich him.
Yeah, no, they did that to me. It's like,
Oh, that's him. Look at him
Nice.
go. Look at him go.
Ooh.
Go home.
Sub. Ooh.
that's how you play it off.
Come on, Taylor. Oh. Oh.
That sounds like why is it giving?
I don't know if it's
Jump.
Bob Marley.
That's
I don't know.
You're low.
Okay, none of us know.
Go check in. Get back.
Go.
Nice.
Come on, jump. That's the back.
Go, Taylor.
Get me in there.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
Good.
Nice catch.
Nice.
Oh! Sure good.
You good, Taylor?
He likes to grab hands.
Don't let him do that.
Chuck, it's okay, Chuck.
He likes.
Taylor, come back.
You good, Taylor? You need stuff?
Get back. Come on, quickly. Push him back.
Wow. See? He's a dirty
Do
player.
that to you.
Dame 8.
Bella, you good?
You're good. Give it back. Just give it
A las mujeres también les hace así. It's like, come on now. Míralo, míralo.
Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, sub. No.
It's right, Chuck, it's right. Not worth it.
It's not.
Worth it, man.
Good job, bud. Come on, be ready, Taylor. Let's go, Taylor.
Good job, Taylor.
Oh my God. Taylor. Oh, Taylor, let's go.
It wasn't Taylor.
No, I'm saying like go get it. No, I know it wasn't him.
Did Taylor used to play?
Go ahead.
Don't turn!
Careful, careful.
Hey! Put your back! Woo!
Again.
I'm tired and I'm yelling, so my throat's like...
Go, Taylor. You gotta go.
Go, Taylor. Nice.
Taylor, be up here.
Go, run, make a run.
Jumped up on the side.
Go, Taylor. Man.
Now!
I tried.
Get back.
Nathaniel, get out of the way. What the? You can be on this side. Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
Bella, get us over.
Yes! Bella! Are you okay? Are you good?
Go, Bella. Nice.
Good, Bella, good.
Nice. Good hustle.
You good?
Get back.
Everybody wants to know what's your name.
Yeah.
Bella, watch your back.
Rihanna.
Okay.
Rihanna. Like it's just Rihanna. Now we know.
There we go. Okay.
Rihanna. What's her name? Rihanna.
Go.
Come to the ball, Bella.
Go, guys. One more. Let's go.
Come on, Bella. Good. Good, Bella. Good.
Come on, Rev.
It's all right. Let's go. Nice, Taylor.
Let's go.
Good job, Bella. Oh, it's all right.
Come on, Bella. Get there. Yes. Get back. Yeah.
Good job, Bella. Go, Bella.
Watch the ball.
That's it, Bella.
Watch the ball.
I don't know if you would.
Come on.
I don't know his name, so.
Oh,
Okay, Miguel, get out, dude.
Get out, dude. Oh, go Bella, go! Get it, Bella, let's go! Middle, middle, middle!
Good, good, good.
Back.
Oh!
Oh, Taylor! Settle! Come on, let's go! Defense! Nice, Bella! Go, Bella!
That's why she doesn't work so well.
Go, Bella, go, Bella!
Middle, 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 middle. 2 in the middle, 3 in the middle.
Bella, go side. Come on, Taylor.
Mark the middle!
Middle!
Careful. Go, Bella, hustle!
Get to the middle!
You got it. One on.
Solo.
Go fuck it.
Go!
I swear, if he screwed that up, that would be so funny. That would be. I know.
Watch your back. Come on, Brian.
Go, Bella, go, Bella!
Come on, Bella, get there!
Go straight.
Oh.
Get back.
That's all right, it's all right.
2 minutes.
Come on, Brian.
2.
Nice. Yes, Brian.
Go.
Go. Take it. Hit him. You got one.
Yo, cross!
Oh, you get back. Where you at?
Get to Bella!
Let's go. 1 minute, Bob. You got it.
Go, Taylor!
1 minute.
Huh? You want that line?
Well, you have a minute. Yeah, you have a minute.
Yeah, you have a minute. Go. Keep playing.
Finish it strong. Right, just one ball. One
Go,
ball.
Go, Taylor! You're 14. We gotta hear you. I know.
Nice! See, look, you almost scored. Go back!
She does play the whole game. For varsity.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Becca.
30 seconds.
Come on, Taylor.
Just don't let him get in!
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oh!
She's like,
20 seconds. 20.
Oh!
yeah, we're working on shooting. She's going to big
12 seconds.
Let's go.